Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are installing camber plates on the F56. Last time I went to go ahead and do this and realized that my springs will not fit. My springs are a stock style spring due to the fact that I bought them from a friend of mine who his car had DDC on it and mine does not. But I wanted to end up adding the camber plates, so they did need a spring that is smaller in diameter. So I called BC up, made sure that I got the right parts, and I ordered springs. So I figured I would show you guys what we're going to be installing and then go ahead and get to it. Okay, so these are the new springs that will be replacing the stock style spring, and then it. So I'm super excited about this. If I can get through it. Nope, that's broken. Let's not talk about that. Okay, so with the camber plates, when you originally had the stock top hats, this will need to be removed in order to properly fit the camber plates. So I just wanted to note that because there's no instructions or anything with it, and we found this out the hard way. So I thought I'd let you guys know, in case if you are doing this, that these will need to be removed. Full of wrench on there. Play in it. And then we can put it in.